The universe of distributed systems. Space is vast. It is filled with billions of galaxies, each containing billions of stars. Imagine trying to understand the universe by studying only a single grain of sand. This is the limitation of traditional centralized computer systems. They are like that single grain of sand, unable to grasp the vastness of information and processing power available. Distributed systems, on the other hand, are like telescopes peering into the depths of the cosmos. They are networks of interconnected computers working together as one. Cloud storage, where your files exist on many servers at once, is a distributed system. Blockchain, the technology behind cryptocurrencies, is another example. These systems are not limited to a single location. They spread across continents, connected by the internet. This distribution of resources brings immense power and flexibility. Think of a library. A single library can hold a limited number of books, but connect many libraries together, and you create a vast network of knowledge accessible from anywhere. This is the essence of distributed systems. Talking across the void, how systems communicate. In the vastness of space, communication is key. Stars emit light and heat, signals that travel for millions of years. Similarly, computers in a distributed system need to communicate with each other. They do this through message passing, sending bits of information back and forth. These messages could be requests for data, updates on progress, or instructions to perform actions. Imagine a team of astronauts on a mission to Mars. Each astronaut has a specific role, but they need to coordinate their actions to succeed. They use radios to communicate, sharing information and making sure everyone is on the same page. Distributed systems use similar coordination mechanisms. Synchronization ensures that all computers are working with the same information. Consensus algorithms help them agree on decisions, even if some computers fail. The challenges of distance, latency, errors, and chaos. Space is not a friendly place. It is filled with radiation, extreme temperatures, and the constant threat of collisions. Similarly, distributed systems face their own set of challenges. One major challenge is latency. Just as it takes time for light to travel across the universe, it takes time for messages to travel across networks. This delay can make communication slow and unpredictable. Another challenge is the possibility of errors. Cosmic rays can interfere with signals from space probes. Similarly, network outages or hardware failures can disrupt communication in distributed systems. Finally, distributed systems must be designed to handle chaos. In the universe, stars explode, black holes collide, and galaxies merge. Similarly, distributed systems must be able to adapt to changing conditions, such as sudden increases in traffic or the failure of individual components. Section 4. Distributed systems in our lives from search to blockchain. Though they may seem complex, distributed systems are already an integral part of our lives. They power many of the services we use every day, often without us even realizing it. Consider search engines. When you type a query into Google, you are not searching a single computer. You are accessing a vast, distributed network of data centers, each containing millions of web pages. These data centers work together to provide you with the most relevant search results in a fraction of a second. Streaming services like Netflix and Spotify also rely on distributed systems. When you watch a movie or listen to music, the content is streamed to your device from servers located around the world. This distributed architecture ensures smooth playback and high availability, even during peak demand. Blockchain, the technology behind cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, is another example of a distributed system. It allows transactions to be recorded securely and transparently, without the need for a central authority. Section 5. The power of many distributed computing and artificial intelligence. The human brain is a marvel of nature. It is a massively parallel processor, with billions of neurons working together to process information and make decisions. This distributed architecture is what gives us our intelligence, creativity, and adaptability. Similarly, distributed computing is unlocking new frontiers in artificial intelligence. By distributing complex AI algorithms across large networks of computers, researchers are able to train AI models on massive datasets, leading to breakthroughs in natural language processing, image recognition, and other areas. Imagine a future where AI assistants can understand our needs, translate languages in real time, and even help us solve complex scientific problems. Distributed computing is making this future a reality. Section 6. Computing at the Edge, a Distributed Future. As we venture further into the digital age, the amount of data we generate is growing exponentially. This data comes from our smartphones, our cars, our homes, and even our bodies. Processing all this data centrally is becoming increasingly difficult and inefficient. This is where edge computing comes in. It is a distributed computing paradigm that brings computation and data storage closer to the devices that generate and consume it. This reduces latency, improves efficiency, and enables new applications that were not possible before. Imagine a world where self-driving cars can communicate with each other in real time, sharing data about road conditions and traffic patterns, or a world where smart cities use sensors to monitor air quality, traffic flow, and energy consumption, optimizing resource allocation and improving the lives of citizens. Edge computing powered by distributed systems is making these visions a reality. Section 7. Conclusion, a distributed symphony of innovation. The universe is a symphony of interconnected systems, from the smallest atoms to the largest galaxies. Each system plays a unique role, contributing to the beauty and complexity of the cosmos. Similarly, distributed systems are transforming the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us.